I'm Ashley with EHM, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use our portable fruit smoothie juicer. Now this juicer also comes with a charger, and it's great. You can put it into a USB outlet in your car or at work or even at your home. So I'm going to show you how to make just a simple protein smoothie. It also has a strainer that you will take off, and I'm going to add in some water. You can use water, almond milk, regular milk, whatever of your choice. And then I'm going to add in some bananas. Bananas are a great source of potassium. And you just want to cut them up into really thin slices. And then I'm going to add in our protein powder. Okay, now I'm going to add the strainer. And then the top. And then just give it a nice little shake. And we're going to turn the button on. Alright, and now we're going to just take the top off. We're going to keep the strainer on. And then we're going to add it into our glass here. And if you wanted to add ice to your glass, you may do so to make it a little cold. And we're just going to pour it. And this will give you a good 8 ounces of protein shake and or smoothie. This is also great if you want to keep it at work, if you work out during the day while you're at work, or if you go to the gym, you can have this after. It's portable, it's small, and like I said, you can charge this inside your car or at home overnight and take it with you. And so if you would like to get yours, visit us at ehmstore.com. Thank you.